In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a deleted task in Asana. Sometimes you delete a task in Asana and assume it's gone for good, but in reality it just moves to the trash. If you want to remove it completely, you need to permanently delete it from your account. I'll walk you through that process step by step so you can keep your workspace clean and organized. First, open Asana and look towards the top of the screen for the search bar. Click on Search. This is where we'll start, because Asana stores deleted tasks in a way that you can still find them with the right filters. Once the search panel is open, look for the icon with several horizontal lines or filter options. Click on those lines. This opens the advanced search filters, which let you narrow down exactly what kind of tasks you want to see. In the filters that appear, find the option labeled Status. Go ahead and click on Status. By default, Asana tends to show active tasks, so we need to change this to show only the ones that are in the trash. From the status options, choose Deleted. This tells Asana you only want to see tasks that have already been deleted but not yet permanently removed. This is useful if you're cleaning up old work or making sure sensitive information is fully cleared out. After you've selected Deleted as the status, click on Search again to run this filtered search. Asana will now show you a list of all deleted tasks that match your criteria from any project or location, depending on how your filters are set. From this results list, find the deleted task you want to remove permanently and click to open it. This will bring up the task details on the right side of your screen, just like any normal task, but with a notice that it's in the trash. Inside the open deleted task, look for the option that says Delete Permanently. Click on Delete Permanently. Asana may show a confirmation message, since this action cannot be undone. Once you confirm, that